Are you wondering how to transform successfully a business, or why business transformation don't work? That's what I will talk about in this video. And first, I would like to start with the latest Gallup global report, where they assess how is the workplace, globally. And what we notice is that only 23% of employees are currently engaged when performing their work, where 59% are disengaged, and we have 18% actively disengaged, meaning that they are looking to change job, or even though they are sabotaging their current job and employees. In Europe, the situation is not better, I would say. We have 13% of employees who are engaged, 72 disengaged, and 15 who are actively disengaged. So that's not really positive, I would say. And hopefully, when the Gallup performed the survey, they also ask, how can we do better? And we have three main categories that pop up: culture, salary, and well-being, with respectively 41, 28, and 16% of people looking for better culture, better salary, better well-being. And in these categories, for example, in terms of culture, we notice that people would like to be more recognized, that their manager would be more accessible, they would gain more autonomy for greater creativity at work, more variety in work, more respect, even though this is quite subjective because my rules for being respected might be different than yours. They would like to have also fairer promotion opportunities and clearer objectives and more guidance to reach them. In terms of salary, some people believe that their salary is insufficient. Others are not paid on time. Some would like their salary would be commensurate with qualification and merit, would like to have additional travel voucher or a cafeteria accessible to all, fully subsidized childcare, or that that employees would be rewarded for excellent company results. And in terms of well-being, we notice that sometimes they would like to have the schedules better communicated in advance so that they can better organize themselves with regard to their family life. And I guess this is mainly applicable for people who have variable schedules. They would like to have less overtime, to work more from home, having more longer breaks so that they can eat without being in a hurry. Some would like to have access to a health clinic, to have more breaks at work, because this is difficult to, work hours and hours with intensity without any rest. They would like that their employees take their work, health, and lives a bit more seriously, and would like to have a place to relax or meet up with colleagues for coffee break. So now, in terms of transformation, I would like to share a few tips from my own experience working in a multinational company or small biotechs and in an hospital or university, and having seen some transformation, successful and other less, I would say. And would like to share three main points to avoid. The first one would be to put the methodology first, whether it's agile or ATCA or whatever methodology. Keep in mind that any organization is first people. So we would like to better connect people to the business and not rely only on some methodology. The second error to avoid is to have to consider that all employees are equivalent, and people are not. We have people with different needs, different motivations, different constraints, different fears. And so it's really important to take into consideration all of these aspects. And the third one would be to stop too soon any transformation, or to make it too long, I would say, because we are, living in a VUCA world, so volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous. which bring additional challenges as well as opportunities. And so if your company would like to be more agile, then you shouldn't have some transformation initiatives that are too complex, too long, or that stop too soon. So now, to make it more positive, I would say that mindset should come first. So mindset is all that affects the way we think. And we have some great work on that with the growth mindset and the fixed mindset from Carol Dweck, for example. And if you are an initiative of transformation, of evolution, then you have to have this growth mindset that is really important to have this at the heart of the initiative. We have also the great work of Robert Dilts, who modelize, the successful business, and then develop the mindset map, which is an inventory of the different mindset needed to be successful in business. And once you have done this inventory, you can develop the action plan to improve what needs to be improved. And it's really powerful, both at the individual and at the collective level as well. As I mentioned, so that you need to have a personalized approach, and so that's where leadership is really critical. Any leader should, accompany all his team members with a personal approach. And the last one is to be iterative. So make it simple and go for continuous improvement. It's the strategy of marginal gains, when you gain maybe 1% today, 1 tomorrow, etc., etc. But at the end of the year, you have reached a significant higher level in your business. So if after all of that we are still not really comfortable with your transformation, whether you are a leader or even if you are an employee, for sure I can help you better master yourself and then master every area of your life. I can share with you my own experience of transformation, but also my skills and experience and passion on coaching and mental training. So feel free to have a look on my website. You can find there additional resources such as blog posts and also on the YouTube channel. So take care. See you soon for another video.